So hello everyone, back to your classes, and today we'll be studying about female reproductive system. Okay, so in female reproductive system there are a lot of things that you need to understand. बहुत ऐसा चीज़ है जिसमें you have to understand कि यार these are the things that will come into your examination. Okay, so then comes on the fact that this is your important topic, and now we'll go through the entire reproductive system of a female, and it is quite complicated. Okay, so just try to understand कि क्या क्या हो रहा है, what and all things are there, and just keep going along with me so that it'll be easier for both of us to understand. Okay, so firstly we'll talk about the एक्सटर्नल जेनिटेलिया ऑफ अ फीमेल की क्या क्या है एक्सटर्नल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में. what happens is here, so I'll be showing you a slide and then I'll be showing you a video also. So all of this comprises the female reproductive system. I'll be making separate videos about secondary sexual characters, then a separate video for gamete formation. For each and everything you'll have a separate video. Okay, so going on, this is the female reproductive system. Okay, here is the vagina. The vagina is the opening where the female gives birth to a child and also receives the sperms. So this is the cervix. This is the entrance towards the uterus. Uterus is this. This uterus has 3 layers. Okay, there's no name written here, but then please remember the name. This is the endometrium, middle one is myometrium, outer one is perimetrium. Okay, so same thing, this is the uterus part. Okay, this is the muscle part. So this is the ovary, this is the fallopian tube. Ovary will release the ovum. ओवम विल बी रिलीज इनटू द फलोपियन ट्यूब. फलोपियन ट्यूब में जाके ओवम यहाँ पे कहीं पे क्या होता है, फर्टिलाइजेशन होगा. द स्पर्म्स विल कम थ्रू दिस वे, दे विल ट्रैवल. विल सी सेपरेट वीडियोस अबाउट ऑल दोज थिंग्स, एंड यहाँ पे फर्टिलाइजेशन करेगा. ओके, नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. सो दिस इज द यूट्रस. These are the ovaries, a pair of ovaries, a pair of fallopian tubes, and this is the cervix and vagina. This is where the sperms will enter. So this is the external genitalia. Okay, this is the vaginal opening that I was talking about. ये जो opening है, this is where it is situated, and this area is known as mons pubis. Mons pubis contains fatty layers here. This is an erectile system called clitoris. This is the urethra. This is the urethra, and labia majora and labia minora are lip-like structures that are present here, and vaginal opening is right here. Okay, so we'll be studying about the internal structure. So for this, just keep watching this video. These are they females, we consider them a pair of breasts as the secondary sexual organs. Okay, now coming on towards the vagina. This is the vagina, this is how it actually looks like. ऐसा ही दिखता है, ठीक है. And this is the uterus. The vagina will be joining in the uterus near a place called cervix. Okay, so this is the cervix. This is where the sperms enter. They will go towards uterus. The baby development will take place in the uterus. Okay, now this is the cervical canal where the sperms will enter. This is the fallopian tube. The ovum will be released by the ovary into the fallopian tube, and soon when it reaches here, this is where the fertilization takes place. Okay, so a pair of the ovaries will keep on producing ovum until the female reaches menopause. The eggs will be supported by hair-like projections called cilia. Okay, now these cilia help in pushing the egg. ऐसे finger-like projections, hair-like projection. So if they have an egg, what happens? Consider this as an egg. So egg को they keep on pushing forward. So egg keeps on ऐसे करके आगे बढ़ता रहता है. Okay, it keeps on. How do I show? It keeps on moving forward. The same thing happens here. The egg is being pushed by the cilia. Okay, and a complementary structures called breast. They have, capability of producing milk, which helps in nurturing the child. Okay, so in the next video we'll be studying about what the hormonal aspect of it. Okay, in the next video we'll study about hormonal aspect of the gamete production and the reproduction of human beings. Okay, so till then, thank you, and if there is anything you would like me to add, I will add it. Thank you.